Hello everyone, this is Subhas Sunwar again, and you are watching HTML and CSS for beginners. In the last video, I was showing you guys how to download Notepad++ and Visual Studio Code on your local machine. In this video, I will show you how to navigate recently downloaded Visual Studio Code from your machine. To do that, you have to go to Start menu on your lower left corner from the screen, and then type Visual Studio Code, VISUAL, Visual Studio Code. It's going to appear on the top, and just select that one, and it's going to open the Visual Studio Code. There we go. You're going to see this kind of welcome screen. You can just ignore this one, and then just if you want to create your files and folder, you can do that from here. Okay, so let me create one folder called demo, DEMO. Then I'm just gonna drag and drop over here, or let me say from other way too. You can open the folder from here too. You see the demo right here, so you can select this one, and then you can ignore this welcome screen again. Then you can make it bigger, or let me show you that. Okay, so we have demo folder open on Visual Studio Code, and I opened the demo folder from File Explorer 2, just to show you how it's going to save our files on the demo folder. So on the demo, just click the new file and then type demo.html. If you do the extension .html, it's gonna save that file like this in an HTML form. Just let me see you can open this folder, but it's not gonna say anything. You see the little exclamation point right here because I type little exclamation over here. So if I type exclamation and enter, it's gonna give you the demo. Just type h1 and type it's gonna show the hello world. Now we just created our HTML file over here. So I'm going to show you more about HTML, this code, and this doc type, like HTML and body, all this stuff in the next video. So keep in touch. See you later.